Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gravy step by step. First, after roasting your favorite meats, collect all those delicious pan drippings. These are the foundation of incredible gravy. Carefully pour off any excess fat, aiming to leave about 2 tablespoons in the pan. Then, deglaze the pan with a half cup of warm liquid, scraping up all the flavorful bits stuck to the bottom. This creates a rich base. Next, we'll create the roux, which is essential for thickening your gravy. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the 2 tablespoons of fat in your pan. Whisk these together over medium heat. Continue stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth, golden brown paste. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste and develops a nutty flavor. Now it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 2 cups of warm broth or stock, whisking continuously as you add it. This gradual addition and constant whisking are crucial to prevent any lumps from forming, ensuring a silky smooth gravy. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For an extra layer of flavor, consider stirring in a tablespoon of fresh, chopped herbs like thyme or sage. If you prefer an exceptionally smooth gravy, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.